What's up, guys? This is my grandfather clock. It's gonna strike 8 o'clock. Alexa, turn the hall lights on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the foyer lights on.
Okay.
There we go. Alright, I'll show you the inside and let it do its thing. Camera focus. Here we go. It's over there. You can probably see the hammer thing moving. You can definitely see it striking. I'm sorry it's so dark. I don't know why it is. But I'm gonna quickly run over and show you from the other side. Alright, so there we go. That is it. Striking 8 o'clock a.m. See you guys in the next one.